Hi guys, what's the difference between collision or collusion? Collision means clash or crash. Collusion means a secret agreement to deceive someone or cheat someone. So we say for illegal or dishonest purpose. That's collusion. And collision means clash or crash between two or more things. Number one, I saw a head on blank between two airplanes. So I saw a collision, right, between two airplanes. It's the blank of disparate ideas that alters one's perspective. So it's the collision of two disparate ideas that alters one's perspective. The companies were accused of acting in blank to fix prices. Collusion, right? The companies were accused of acting in collusion to fix prices. She uncovered blank between city officials and certain local businesses. So that's collusion. She uncovered collusion between city officials and certain local businesses. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye. Take care.